Today is the 9th of March 2026. Okay, so let's just mark out our previous levels, our previous structures. Remember, this is currently the 24-hour chart, so be paying close attention to this level. Okay, so let me just use the little 24 hours. Let's now go to our higher time, which is the 24 hour, is the 4 hour, sorry. All right. So on the 4 hour charts, let me use it to give us a clearer picture. The market moved this way, was not able to break below the stops here, got to this level, stops here, broke above, bullish trend right, now came back to retest this, then I moved to this previous level right here. Now, so long as it's still here, it's still a bit bearish, but then above this still bearish. So for us to look for cool bearish, you want to say break below this. If it should move into this level, then you can think of shorting the market. But then if it doesn't move, you see the market now moving above this high right here. This each one previous high. The market happens to move above each one previous high this level, then we can look for long trades. Please, is that clear enough? Now we wait for the market to move into this, breaking below this, closing below this, then we go short. Of course, you can just take this as a first take profit. But then on the long run, the market move above this for us to go long. So that's for VIX75 1 second. So let's go to 75 itself. Alright. On 75, from what you are seeing, the market is currently looking bearish. But then get to this level, it seems it's having hard time breaking below it to continue that bearish move. So let's see what is going on the 15-minute chart. Have we seen the market breaking below this on bearish, or is it getting there to go back to this level on the bullish? If it's going bullish, it's going to be our next target. So let's see what is going on the 15-minute chart. Alright. Okay. On the 15 minutes, it's actually still bearish. Why that is bearish? Moving all the way from here down here, stopping here, and you can see it down here. Now, the only bullish move comes up if it happens to close above this level. Definitely, it's going to have a pullback. You can go long. You can go long on it. That's the only bullish trade we're going to have. Therefore, now you see bearish. Look, I see below this. So you want to see it now closing below this level for us to go bearish. Now, remember, this is the bullish setup. Now, on the bearish setup, let me delete this. I can give you the bearish setup. On the bearish setup, you want to see it. Let me go this way. Now I want to see breaking below each one previous low right here. Definitely is going to have a replacement that will go short on it. So please take note of these two moves. Any of that happens tells us what we're going to do on VIX75. Alright, so let's go to our boom. We are starting up with boom 500. We go back to the 4-hour chart, taking this down. Remember this 4-hour chart, so every structure matters or the day trader. Now looking above this, if you look for long trees to this next move right here. Now let me go back to the 15-minute chart so you can see where this level represents. Now you can see this is a level. It was not able to break above it severally. This level it came back here, tried to break above. They can see this bullish move. Now it's actually booked below it, but they can see this. So now a long trade then comes up. If the market happens to break above this internal high right here, but then since it's actually what this internal high, Now breaking above the putting take profit here, stop loss there might not really give you a profit to reward, but then the more entry comes up better here. If the market happens to break above this, then that means we can now go long on it. Then on the scalping, if the market happens to close above this level, remember scalping, they can just scalp to this level. But then on the long, on the foot day trade, we'll be looking forward to the market actually still breaking above this. The market to break above this, they can now go long on it. Good. So that's for the bullish setups. Now let's go back to the bearish setup. Now the bear oh sorry. The bearish set actually comes up. The market happens to now close below this, then we go short. So let's see what really happened or close below this level, that this previous level. Then we can definitely gonna see a pullback. Then we can think of going short on boom 500. Alright, so let's go to the boom 1000. Alright. And just in case you're not familiar with this broker, I can share the description. I'll be leaving a link to this broker for you. Or better still, you can check the Telegram channel there. The link will be in the Telegram channel. Now breaking below this in our higher time frame, let's work on time frame. Let's see what's going on. You can see an entering monthly model. Now entering this level is gonna put a stop loss right here, which is not too reasonable. So let's see if we can get a pullback. If you get a pullback, fine. If you don't get it, then that means let it go. If the market trying to move out of this again, they're getting rejected and closing again below this for us to go short on boom 1000. So let's see if that really happens as it goes by. I'm sure it's not going to just continue moving this. It's going to give us a pullback. But after the pullback, if it's not able to break above there, that's when you can now go short on 500. But if it happens to break above this and start showing structures, change of structure on the positive, you can now go bullish. All right. So let's go to the crash index. So if it's starting with the crash 500, on the 4-hour chart, finally give you some bullish move right here. So let's see that bullish is going to continue. Are we seeing the continue of this main bearish move right here? So let's see what 15 minutes chart is saying. Okay. Now we actually saw some resistance level right here that the market just move above it. So here's my bullish setup on crash 500. Put my stop loss is possible below this. Then remember this is not a volatile, so you can actually have a good stop loss. Then minimum of 1 is to 2 weeks to reward. So this is my bullish setup on crash 500. So let's go to the final one, which is crash 1000. And of course, let's still move to the 4-hour chart. Okay, I think we had some problem with this crash 1000 some time ago too. Let me see if the one actually going to open. Crash, let me check it for us. Alright, crash 500 is not really available. So that means today there is no analysis on crash 500. I think I'm having a network issue. Yeah. So that means we got in crash 500 for today. And of course, just as I've always said, please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford. So